Today's workout is perfect for at home, no machines, no gym, just a mat and dumbbells. And if you don't have any dumbbells, no excuses. You can always improvise with water bottles, books, or anything you have around. This workout is all about showing up and putting effort in. Take it at your own pace, focus on your form, and let's get started. We're starting off sitting back on our knees, grab your dumbbells, and lift your arms with control. We're doing 3 sets of 12 here. Move slow, feel the burn, and remember every rep counts. Next up, we're heading to crunches, then glute bridges, and side-to-side planks. This is where it really starts to burn, and that's a good thing. Stay focused, keep breathing, and don't give up on yourself. Your core is getting stronger with every second you hold and every rep you finish. Each of the movements that you do, you want to move slowly. And we're doing 3 sets of 15. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but we're doing 3 sets of 15. Now, doing these planks is not easy, especially for me. And I always say I need to build my upper body strength. Literally every vlog I say that. But I'm doing it. That's all that matters. So then we're going to do some more. You know what? Let me not even lie. I don't know any of the names of these workouts. I just know which ones to do. So don't judge me. Do not judge me. Last exercise, and honestly my favorite, we're standing up and going to side crunches. Stay tall, squeeze your core, and really feel the movement. Finish strong here. This is where you prove to yourself that you can push through anything. It is very important to do the same amount that you do on the other side. So we did 15 on this side. We're going to go 15 on the next side. And then we'll go back and forth until we hit about 45. That makes sense? I did a few wraparounds. That's what you saw me going around. I did a wraparound. That's what I call it. Like I said, I don't know any names of the workouts. Just follow me. That's all that matters. Follow me. And mind you have to do this movement very slowly. And I'm lifting about 15 pounds. And like I said, you can improvise. You don't have to lose any weights if you don't want to. But if you lift weights, let me rephrase. If you add weights into your workout, you'll see a faster result. That's it for today's workout. You should be proud of yourself for showing up and getting it done. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.